Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing video channel on YouTube. Today we're unboxing the Rotel RA1592. This is a brand new 200 watt integrated amplifier from Rotel, and possibly this is the first time it's been seen unboxed in Australasia. Most Rotel ship in a plain brown outer. We've removed that and we're looking at it as you would see it in your home. Boxes are well packed. Quick look. There we go. Right, as we open it up, look at that. Rotel. That is included simple installation instructions, basic wiring and other things along those lines. Mentions laptops and cell phones, those types of things. Under that layer we have the driver software for the integrated amplifier's USB input and basic instruction manual. They've gone with a closed cell foam packaging, but better perhaps protecting larger amplifiers like this than the likes of polystyrene. Formed around the amplifier. In the box we have got a network cable, RJ45. Traditional New Zealand IEC power cord, a set of 3.5mm connectors, possibly for one of the 3.5mm inputs, but probably most likely used for Rotel's control cabling. Also in the box is a standard what we would call USB printer cable, USB from a laptop and other sources along those lines. Okay, now this is where the hard work begins, because this is a 200 watt integrated amplifier. I think you can understand it's not light. Okay. Before we have a good look at that, we'll just go through the rest of what's in the bottom of the box. Is the remote control. You'll see it there, beautifully protected in some separate foam. Weighty remote control, actually. Appears to be extruded aluminium of some kind, and AA battery. Okay, so starting to look at the amplifier for the first time. Off comes its bag. So this amplifier in black has the same protective tape to cover and protect the ends of the amplifier, so carefully take those off. This is to avoid scratching and other things like that, so if you're positioning it in a rack or with other components, you might want to put it in place first before removing this protection. Okay. Looking at the amplifier for the first time. Hard button on-off switch, front headphone output, USB. This one is now 2.1 amp, so it will run the larger power requirements of the iPhone and iPads. A and B speaker switch, hard button inputs including phono, CD and balanced, volume control, menu and other control sections for setting up the amplifier and using its on-screen display. Spinning it around, good ventilation for its amplification stage. Now this is a brick. Remember, this is heavy. This is a good solid amplifier, very well built, 200 watts, very classic power for Rotel. Okay, at the rear, this is the first time Rotel has integrated Bluetooth within the amplifier itself. So this little nibbit is exactly that. Below it, phono input and A and B speakers. An array of digital inputs including 3 optical and 3 coaxial digital. This is a network receiver, so it's got a network input for NAS drives and other computer audio, and the USB input. Along it is the Rotel link or control cabling and other standardized cabling like the 12 volt triggers. Control for RS232 and balanced input or XLR. Standard IEC input, and yeah, very well appointed little amplifier. Okay, so spinning that round, and there we have the Rotel RA1592 200 watt integrated amplifier from Rotel. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.